Good morning to you from Lavender Hill in Battersea. I'm at the location of that was seen in Gardening Time, the very last episode of On the Buses. You may remember the scene when Blakey is in a shop buying himself plants and all of that for his garden. The camera is looking in through this window here. Today it's a tapas bar and all of that, but this is the view that you get. You can see there's a reflection on the window. Now if you get to that point of the episode and freeze it, you do get a reflection looking across to the other side of the road just like this. But over the other side of the road now, you can see there's flats there. Now when they filmed On the Buses there was actually a mobile garage there, a petrol station, and a road that actually led right down there. It led right down where that block of flats is now, just across the road there where the white cars just passed. Now you see Blakey coming out of the shop here, and you do see that lime wall in the background. It comes out here. Now this porch is all new as well. This eating area for tables for people that are in the tapas bar restaurant and run it down outside. Last time I came here, this wasn't here, this area here, this was just all part of the pavement, so that's all changed. He comes down and he lays down his plants at the side of the road here, and there's a bus stop sign. Now the bus comes along in this direction, and you would have seen the garage just on the other side there, but it's not there anymore, as I say. Now you can just see a bus coming into view here, so this is handy, this is. So this is like basically where the bus is coming along here. You get the camera filming in this direction when he's waiting on the bus to stop, and it comes and pulls to a stop. Now if you look down on the road there where the bus has just passed, you can see a drain. You do see that in the episode as well. So it was right here where Blakey was standing with his plants and all of that. And you see these buildings in the background as well. As the bus goes off, heads off in the direction and leaves them behind. And that's the angle that you get. You just get about half of the... let's see if we can zoom in a little bit more. Yeah, that's about it there that you see in the episode. Get about that view there. And those were the first batch of locations seen in Gardening Time. So I'm standing outside the Battersea Arts Center, as it is now, but was the Battersea Town Hall. So this is the scene where you see Jack's bus heading along this road here. We first see it in the distance, passing the Long Beach Road, which is just where that car is right now, and it heads along in this direction. You do see the post box as well, and one of the screen grabs. It passes Sisters Avenue where the car's heading along now. And it heads along in this direction. Now back in the day, you do see the zebra crossing there. But there is now a level crossing there today. It's a level crossing instead of zebra crossing. In the screen grab, you will see all plants and all of that there. They were just props for the seat for the part. Of course, because the plants were all placed around outside the Arts Center here. First of all, the part that you see just before Jack comes along and steals all the plants, you see people coming out of the Town Hall, as was then, just out of this door here. That's about the angle that you get about there. With just a little bit more of a grab, because you only see the edge of this building here, right here. So it's about, that's about what we want there, about that. And then Jack's bus, of course, has stopped across the road there, which I'll do more videos for when I cross the road in a bit. And you see the camera pans in after he's raided all these plants. There's a plant pot right around about here. We know it's here because you see that little drain feature in the background. And there's another plant pot that's sitting just around about here, right where the curve of the steps are. Right around about there. And then there's another one on this side, and we know it's here because if you look at the screen grab, you can just see the very edge of that pillar there that's on the step. Now the steps here have changed a bit in terms of the curvature of them. They were far more pronounced in the episode. So they were all filmed here outside the Battersea Arts Center. This where Jack gets his plants for the gardening competition and gardening time. Okay, so also in gardening time we see Jack's bus pulls up here opposite the Arts Centre, Battersea Arts Centre. Now you get a view through the windows just at this part of the Arts Centre there. There we go. Just around about there. Now when you see Jack, he's about to get on the bus. We see in the screen grab, if you look at the screen grab, you see this drain right down by my feet here. So you've got the drain there, and you've got the drain, and you've got the other panel there on the road there. Now if you look ahead where the van is, you'll see a white building. That's the Lavender Hill police station. You see that in the shot as well in the screen grab when Jack's getting back onto the bus. So that was filmed around about here. Now also you get a slightly different angle as well in the episode. The camera zoomed in a bit and you just see the tops of the building beyond the police station. That's the cream station, cream building there, just where the two buses are. You get this angle here in the episode as well if you look at the screen grab. And there's another shot when you get the camera looking right in through the driver's cab right across the road. Now this new building with a scaffolding, that wasn't there then, so you'll see by the screen grab it looks totally different to what was actually there in 1973. So that covers all your locations filmed in Battersea in the episode Gardening Time, the very last episode of On the Buses.